I know y'all missed me last week, but I'm here now. Sorry for that. You know how life set more time. I mean, look at ins and out, two things I have to deal with, but let's do this. This week on Entertainment Recap, prosecutors want Jah Cure to do 8 years, Shenseea new album, Alpha, and also an Entertainment Recap exclusive, new music, and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it.
My name is Shenseea, and I come from Kingston, Jamaica.
Talk about the preparation and the promotion behind Shenseea's new album titled Alpha. Being an alpha female, they don't run in packs, so girly, the name is very fitting for this album. I love the prep work behind the album. Good God, from a small video clip of her life journey to a performance on Jimmy Kimmel's show. I tell you, bashment, girl, anything you get, you deserve it. Dancehall artist and Grammy nominee Shenseea is truly setting the tone for herself in mixed genres. She should get new fans as she successfully tapped into the pop genre when she performed one of her tracks titled Deserve It on the late night television show Jimmy Kimmel Live in the United States on March 3rd, 2022. This year we are talking about, and last year something, and this year something. It was just ahead of her debut album, Alpha. Her appearance was a part of a program put on by Apple Music titled Up Next, where they focus on identifying, showcasing, and elevating rising artists monthly. Shen genuinely loved the preparation and process behind this album. Oh, plus Girlie's second single from her upcoming album, Alpha, landed on 4 charts in the recent week, making her the first Jamaican female to enter 4 charts simultaneously as a lead artist. Are You That debut at number 25 on the rap airplay chart, number 34 on the mainstream R&B and hip-hop airplay chart, number 36 on the rhythmic airplay top 40 chart, and number 37 on the hot R&B hip-hop airplay chart. Wow, possible 8 years, Jah Cure? It's not look good. Jah Cure is facing a possible 8-year jail sentence should he be convicted for the stabbing of Amsterdam promoter Nicho Blake on October 1st last year, as prosecutors think it was premeditated due to his actions prior to the stabbing. The prosecution shared several threatening messages Cure sent to the promoter Nicho Blake that doesn't outline a good image of Jah Cure for this case. In speaking in court, Jah Cure told the judge to Google him after they said they did not know who he was. Jah Cure is on trial for attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, and attempted aggravated assault. All we can do now, is do up and pray for the best cure. So all the best. One thing, them are going to give Anti-Grace a challenge, but one thing she got to do, I hold a solid ground. Producer Michael Askell Fairman is very firm in his decision that he will not be retracting the song he released with Pastor Blake and dancehall queen Spice, dubbed Solid Ground. Following the release, the Grammy-nominated dancehall artist Spice released a statement via her Instagram account where she had asked for the song Solid Ground, which she has been working on with them for 2 years, not to be released, and if they want to release it, she's asking them kindly to remove her voice. Askell made it clear that prior to the release of the song, everyone involved with the production was made aware of its impending release because it wasn't a demo, it was a complete project. In this week's Entertainment Recap exclusive, we Chit Chat with Yeyball Genna, an upcoming artist who has been doing his thing. Let's find out what's happening with him, his new single, and his upcoming plans. Yo, Yeyball, wagwan, right? So, what do you like most about dancehall?
For me, music is relaxing for me. I'm mind-free. Music is a mind-free thing, yeah? So for me, I take music as an advantage of happiness and relaxation. So that's music for me, yeah?
I like that. What inspired you to start making music?
Music is always in the emblem, always in the blood from a younger stage. Always like music. My best entertainer when I was a youth growing up was Beenie Man. So I always watching Beenie Man as a youth. I mean, I say, yeah, Beenie Man, I love how the youth are doing thing.
You really, really love music. Describe your creative process, right? When you write, time of the master.
All right, time of the master. To be honest with you, all right, it was like around a year. I haven't done anything about any dropping of any song or anything. You know what I mean? And I went to the studio one evening. I saw my producer. He was making the rhythm. You know what I mean? And stepping in front of me, I said, what, man? Long time me in a link up here dealing. I said, it's time, man, Yeyball, man. So I said, yeah, time of the master, man, because the right time this me reach. See, I knock a bad beat, I love it. So at the time this, at the momentum this, me I wait for, and I would just sit down there the night and we just get things together and must jump on the beat and I did a whole lot vibe on it and I must say, yo, I like that. Going at the boat and now we are shot it and we never itch. We just do the right thing and, you know what I mean? Time of the master.
Well, what genre do you see more befitting for you and do you plan on trying different genres?
Yeah, I do different genres of music whenever I write music. I don't just stick to one genre. Although I am a dancer, reggae artist, I don't stick to one genre. I do cultural music also, yeah? And don't be surprised when I tell you that I do gospel music. God is good, you know what I mean? Yeah.
All right, so we are talking about advice now as an upcoming artist. Have you gotten any advice from any pre-existing artist or anybody who are going and around the road now to add to your music career?
I got advice from Harlow, I can say, yeah? I remember at one point as a youngster, you know, you're in the community I grew up and you're the young artist. Everybody I say, yeah, you're bad. You're the young artist, so I don't at one point got invited to the community where I live. So there was a stage show going on at the time, you know what I mean? So, you know, you're the young artist in the community, so I get my little chance now to go up on stage and show my talent, showcase the talent I have. And when I showcase that talent and the show finish, even before the show finish, I don't know, but in the community, so I'm a big artist, I have to go show him my respect. You know what I mean? So go over there, heal him up and stuff, and he must say, you, you're bad, I love how you do your thing. Go on do your thing, now watch all the things there now. Just go on do your thing. And you know, we never let it go from that. I always think about them things there and keep them as some inspirational things.
That's good that, I mean, veterans are giving the advice and you're getting advice from individuals in the industry. As a young and a new artist, what are some of the challenges you have faced and where you deal with it?
The most challenge I face, to be honest with you, is getting for people to really listen to Yeyball music. You know what I mean? I know there's a lot of people out there, you know, and each time, like, you know what I mean, whenever I release a song on YouTube, most of the time, I always like watching the views and stuff. Yeah. So it just tickles me sometimes to say that, yeah, you're not doing the right thing, but deep down inside, I know that I am doing the right thing. So the hardest part for me sometimes is to get someone to go there and listen. But the greatest part for me is when they go there and listen and find out what it is. They never stop listening. You know what I mean?
Where can we find you on all social media platforms?
You can find Yeyball Genna on all social media platforms. You can find Yeyball Genna on YouTube at Yeyball Genna. That's YEYBALLGENNA.
So there you have it. Thanks for joining us. Yeyball Genna, go through and go and do your thing. And you know we have new music, which is my favorite part of the show. And on this week's new music, we feature Dina Crazy with Polo for years. Spice on the track with her son Nicho, dub Popo. Jashi featuring Kim Kelly with God's Gift. Nation Boss with Deja Vu, and Mike Love with When I Got Drunk.
God give to me, yeah, you ever sent. Unconditionally, the love, yeah, it very blessed. Yeah, the day before, me no make it yet. No, me make it, you fit the anywhere me there. You say me, yeah, your king, president. You know what me say. You are my queen and it evident. How you forget the ring, go get your wedding dress.
I'll be great in my dreams, my seat. Now go ever surrender, nor take defeat. And we are go hard and me a bring the heat. And when the fire get hot, we still not retreat. Soon govern the globe and lock down every street. Cause the nation funds, them a send me fi do it. Them always a ask how they make this so deep. But you will stick to the real, no fake friend we no keep. Nation are the realest. Born fi be great, but a time I reveal it. Success in the air, I'ma feel it. A deja vu, come me already dream it.
I's a alcoholic. Yep, give me the wrong word. Cause I wine that up when I drunk. I flirt better when I drunk. I sing better when I drunk. So pass the bottle of rum. Cause I hear better when I drunk. I see better when I drunk. And better when I drunk. So pass the bottle of rum. Cause you go bring it in a glass, bring it in a bottle, Lord.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week, birthday shout out goes to Joe Mercer, Tommy Cowan, Donovan Jermian, and none other than me step up in the club again. Tony Mataran. Big up on yourself. Have a happy birthday, you all, and continue to do great work. And as we say on this show, big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. It's PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy each and every week for my earrings this week. I want gold something on my ears. Me like it. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all socials. Remember, it's at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. Have a great weekend. Keep it buzzing. Keep it safe. Have some fun. Stay protected. And you know, me love you. Love yourself. And on this show, we always say, big up who? You!